Hey, young artists! Today, we're about to create a cheerful scene that will brighten up any day, a beautiful house with a sunny sky and fluffy clouds. Are you ready to bring this cozy home to life with me? Let's dive right in. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Get your markers ready because we're about to sketch and draw our dream house together. Let's start with a triangle for the roof. Picture a cozy roof over our heads. Now, let's add a rectangle underneath. That's the main part of our house.
Cool!
Next, let's add some details. A door for welcoming visitors.
Awesome!
And 2 windows on each side.
Wow!
And why not another window on the roof?
Cool!
Let's make our house extra special. No house is complete without a chimney. Let's add one poking out from the roof.
Awesome!
Now, let's bring some life to our surroundings. Add some bushes behind the house for a touch of nature. Look up, and what do we see? Fluffy clouds floating in the sky. Let's add some clouds to our sunny scene. And of course, what's a sunny day without a shining sun? Let's add a big, bright sun to our sky. Our drawing is complete, but let's make it stand out even more by outlining everything with bold, sharp lines. Now, let's add a pop of color to our masterpiece. Get your markers ready. It's time to bring this scene to life. Red color. Yellow color. Orange color. color. Green color. Blue color. Yellow color. Wow, what an amazing creation we've made together. A cozy house, a sunny sky, and fluffy clouds. It's like a dream come true. I'm so proud of your creativity. Keep drawing, keep smiling, and keep spreading joy with your art. Until next time on Toddlers Art Hub, happy creating, my fantastic artists. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.